Hello students, today we are going to begin with the fourth chapter of our supplementary reader, the COP and the Anthem. COP means police, and what does anthem means here? The national anthem we sing, but what anthem is there in this chapter? Let us see. We know students sometimes in our lives something comes out to be very unexpected. What we introspect, what we apprehend is different, while what comes out to be is completely different, and it can sometimes be embarrassing also. In this chapter, the main character is a man. His name is Soapy. He is a homeless and jobless man. Let us see how he plans to spend his winter. Soapy is homeless and jobless. One more thing about Soapy that is to be remembered is that he is a thief. Now, if in a cold country, winter is approaching and you don't have a shelter, you don't have a home, how would you stay? How would you survive? Won't you die of cold? Let us see. Soapy moved restlessly on his seat in Madison Square. Square is this open public place, and this one is Madison Square. Soapy is sitting here and he is restless because he is worried about his future. There are certain signs to show that winter is approaching, and now winter is about to come. What are the signs that tells us that winter is approaching? Birds have begun to migrate and fly towards the south. People want new warm clothes. Yes, we know this, that birds migrate from a colder region to a moderate region, and then people would obviously take out their quilts, their blankets, their woolens, coats, sweaters, etc. And also the leaves start falling down. And Soapy moves restlessly on his seat in the park. And where is he, by the way? He is on a bench in the park because he is homeless. When you see these signs, you know that winter is near. A dead leaf fell on Soapy's feet. That was a special sign for him that winter was coming. Now he was very sure that winter is approaching and he has to plan for his future. It was time for all who lived in Madison Square to prepare for winters. Soapy's mind now realized that fact. The time had come. He had to find some way to take care of himself during the cold weather. So he has to find some ways and means to survive through the winter season. And therefore, he moved restlessly on his seat. That is why he is worried about it. Soapy's hope for the winter were not very high. He doesn't have good plans of going to a warmer place or visiting this place or getting some nice warm coats or to go to a trip, buy some quilts, etc. No, he is a poor man. He has nothing. He was not thinking of sailing away on a ship, which would be a nice way during the winters. He was not thinking of southern skies because in south the temperatures are different, or to the Bay of Naples. Nor like the other people, he is planning to go to the Bay of Naples. 3 months in the prison on Blackwell's Island. His dream is very different, seems to be crazy to all the people, but he really plans to get into the prison. And which prison? The prison which is on Blackwell's Island, where he always spends his winters every year in the recent past also. 3 months of food every day and a bed every night. And what is good about prison, though we would never want to, but for him who has no shelter, no food, who is homeless, jobless, here there is a security of food and bed, a shelter. 3 months safe from the cold north wind and safe from cops. So the best part is you are saved from not only the cold northern winds but also very much safe from the threats of police. Because if you're already there in the prison, the police is not going to harass you. This is what Soapy wanted most in the world. That is shelter and peace for some time. For years, Blackwell's Island has been his winter home, and he always goes into this prison during the winter. But you know, this prison is not a hotel that you can just go like that and stay there. You have you are sent to a prison only if you do some crime. Richer New Yorkers made their plans to go to Florida or to the shore of Mediterranean Sea each year. But here we see there is a man who plans to go to a prison. And obviously the rich people go to the Mediterranean Sea each winter. Soapy made his small plans for going to the island. Now to go to the island, he has to do something. 3 months in the prison. That means you don't need to murder a person. The crime should not be too grave, but it should be a small crime for which you get a small punishment of imprisonment of 3 months. Let us see in the next part of the chapter whether Soapy is able to go to the prison or not. Try to read the chapters and understand.